Mastering Directions. Landmarks, your secret guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the fascinating world of English conversational language. Our focus today is evaluating the use of landmarks in giving and receiving directions. Landmarks make our directions more precise and understandable. So, let's dive right into it. Landmarks play a critical role in making directions easy to follow. Landmarks are notable objects or features that help us locate ourselves in the environment. They could be anything from a church to a big supermarket, or even a tall, unique-looking tree. Using landmarks in directions brings a visual element to the instruction, making it more relatable and easy to remember. When giving directions, try to incorporate landmarks as reference points. For example, rather than saying, "Turn left after 2 blocks," you can say, "Turn left at the big church." This adds a visual component to the listener, making the directions more understandable. Now that we understand the significance of landmarks and how to use them, it's essential to know how to evaluate their usage. While using landmarks, remember: 1. The landmark must be easily recognizable and prominent. Using a small cafe that might not catch attention as a landmark may not be very effective. 2. The landmark must be relevant to the direction, and it should occur at decision points like turns, or when the directions change significantly. 3. Use landmarks in conjunction with other details. For example, walk 2 blocks north, then turn right at the big church. To evaluate the effectiveness of directions using landmarks, put yourself in the shoes of the listener or the person following the directions. Ask yourself: 1. Would I easily notice this landmark? 2. Does the landmark come into sight at the right point in the directions? 3. Are the directions still clear without the landmark? And that wraps up our video on the effective use of landmarks in giving and receiving directions. Remember, a good set of directions isn't just about the proper lefts and rights. It's about incorporating recognizable features and landmarks to make your instructions visually engaging and easy to follow. Hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and we'll meet in the next video. Happy learning!